Hello guys, what's up? It's me again, Pusoy Gaming. So today, another PvP na naman, 1v1. Kita nyo to guys? Oh, kita nyo yan? Ganda no? Kaso yung stats dito, pang PvP lang no? Yun no? Ito lang barrier lang ano. All damage tapos may endurance. So, ito muna yung ano natin gagamitin. Ita-try lang natin no? Naka force binder tayo guys. Teka, palit tayo ng ano, hindi tayo mag ano, disarm. Provoke tayo. May maganda tayong ano, basta provoke. Maganda yung provoke, guys. So nakita ko lang to no. So try lang natin yung provoke. Oh, 82k CP natin, guys. Sana papalag to no. Wala tong attack speed. So mahina tayo sa attack speed nito. Mahina tayo sa attack speed nito guys. Pero dahil naka-cloth tayo, walang problema. Nag ano tayo eh. Skill ano. Skill type tayo eh. Bato ng bato tayo ng skill eh. Teka lang. Ano? Dismantle muna natin itong mga walang kwentang ano, item. Baka pwede ito, huwag na pala. Okay. Mag-SNS sana tayo no? Magpa-level tayo ng SNS guys dahil sa specialization. So pag-usapan natin yan next video natin no? So yung may mga bagong update, kailan kaya yan mangyayari? Maybe this month no? Maybe this month yung bagong update natin. So 86 pa tayo. Okay. PvP na tayo. Teka lang, mga buff natin, di pa natin ano. Huwag muna yan. Ito, tapos ito. Critical hit, triple accuracy. Ito, triple tayo guys. 1v1. Pero hindi bagay sa ano no. Ang pangit tingnan. Okay. Let's start. Uy, level 92. Parang GG tayo, naka-legend pa. Stun naman dyan. GG tayo dito. Masyadong mataas na yung level ng kalaban natin. Provoke. Stun. O knockdown. Uy, namatay. Hinaya natin guys. Wala talagang attack speed. Eto. Hindi naman tayo paggalawin na ito. Provoke muna. Okay, tapos stun. Knockdown. Hindi kumagat. Stun. Hindi tayo nakagalaw guys. Wala talaga attack speed tong ano eh. Provoke. Bakit ka bumalik? Dead ka tuloy. Mukhang, ano mukhang masakit nga. Mukhang sumakit tayo guys. Eto, dual dagger, masakit to. Provoke na tayo dito guys, pampalambot ng kalaban. Pag tumama yung stun na knockdown, yun, another stun na naman. Stun ulit. Wala talagang attack speed guys. Ito, return damage. Tumakbo si Inday. Stun. Hindi kumagat yung stun. Knockdown. Hila. Yun sakit nun. Masakit yun. Bilis tumakbo ni Raja Jawa. Hindi talaga maabot guys Hila na lang. Hindi din maabot yung hila natin. Yun. Immune pa siya. Mukhang sumakit yung ano natin damage Sila walang damage nga lang. Matigas naman pala to Mukhang palaban tong ano natin pang PvP nga lang. Mukhang palaban tong ano natin guys. Kung bagong weapon natin. Check natin ang damage natin dito. Update 81k ito, Sword and Shield. Kita yung humo na yan guys. Ganda ng humo na yan. Pang battle shield tsaka SNS. Provoke muna tayo. Pag pumasok yung provoke dito, lalambot ng kalaban natin. Yan ito, stun. Pagkatapos nito, magre-return tayo. Stun naman dyan, hindi kumagat yung stun natin. Knockdown. Uy, na-deads. Uy, 5 wins na tayo guys. Mukhang maganda yung weapon natin Sulit yung weapon natin guys Eto, Sword and Shield din. Naka-legendary to, mabilis ang attack speed nito. Nakamili tayo. Provoke muna tayo dito guys. Alambutin natin yung kalaban. Yun Tumama. Stun ulit. Nako, wala siyang damage guys. GG siya natin dito guys. Patay natin to si Skezo. Nakalaban ko na to dati Parang natalo ko na to dati. Makain pa ng return damage. Kunat. Yun o. Pag ganitong kalaban, need nyo na talaga no, depth penetration, mataas yung depth penetration nyo dito. Defense, ano ba yun? Shield penetration rather. Shoutout kay Skezo. Naka-legendary na to. Grabe. Dami kong disable. Ang problema lang sa SNS, yung wala siya masyadong stun, dalawa lang. So sa kunat meron siya. Yun o, talo siya. Wala siyang damage. Okay, 6 win tayo ha. Ang ganda ng 5 win pala. 5 wins, sorry. Previous pala yun. Dual dagger. Parang di bagay yung kailangan natin ng magandang magandang skin. Provoke muna tayo guys. Yun o. Tapos knockdown. Tapos stun. Tapos deliberate attack o. Grabe ang sakit niya. Grabe. Sakit ni Bibs. GG tayo guys. Grabe ang sakit. Ilan kaya CP nito? Tanda talaga yung pag naka-legend ka dun. Nako, GG tayo dito. Pag takbuhan to, wala tayo dito. Naputol yung natin guys, winning streak. Papalambutin natin. Turn tayo. Battle stop pala itong kalaban natin. Ang sakit. Masakit yung siguro. Wala, GG tayo guys. So palit tayo itong sword and shield mag sword and shield muna tayo guys. Teka lang. Ito. Tapos ito stun. Movement speed. Dami kong Even when I don't know what is right, I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground. Check natin to, pang PvP ba to? Ito ata yung pang PvP natin. Tapos, teka lang. Ito. Ay, hindi yun. Ito pala. Pang PvP natin to. Try lang natin. Guardian. Mag-guardian tayo. Try natin yung guardian. Teka lang. Okay. Ito muna Force binder. Hindi kaya sa Force Binder, mag-guardian tayo. Ay, ito, Sword and Shield. Labanan ng mga Sword and Shield. Dito mamamay ano natin. Cancel yung ano natin, guys. Grabe, GG yung ano natin, ah. Tatlag tayo ng skill.
Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's faking now. Yeah, she hates me now. I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone. That's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends.
Uy, GG siya, guys.
I don't really understand.
Nag-dead siya, guys.
Wanna be left on the
Taas na level nito, oh.
even hear me if I yell.
Sulit pa din yung ano, no? Sulit, napakasulit. Ano, mag-guardian tayo, kaso lang low level pa no natin overcome. So patatasin muna natin ang ano dito level natin bago tayo mag-guardian. Ito, ano to? Kang kikilawin tayo nito, ah. Nako. Kikilawin nga tayo. Kikilawin tayo nito, guys.
Always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things
Wow.
to do, picking fake now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now.
Ang sakit talaga.
Better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way even when I'm feeling down. I fight, even when I don't know what is
Nakumbo
right.
tayo.
I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shape me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the
Try nga natin ang build ng guardian. Nakalimutan ko, guys. Ito yun, no? Support. Ito lang yung palitan heal. Kaya ba na? 470. Hindi kaya. Greater potion tayo. Ito. Magic circulation, knockdown distance. Kulang pa ng 2 level. 15 pa rin.
Yeah.
Bakit tumakbo to?
Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's faking now. Yeah, she hates me now. I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone. That's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break
Okay.
it off best friends.
Last round naman to, eh.
Understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so good.
Grabe, wala tayong stun, guys. Nangyari? Na-DC? Ayun lang guys, no, natapos din yung ano natin. Yun lang guys, once again, it's me Pusoy Gaming, thanks for watching.